My name is Thorpe, and I am a lawyer and partner at the Skillern firm. I'm board certified by the Texas Board of Legal Specialization in Family Law. I have been licensed to practice since 2014. I've been with the Skillern firm since 2013, where I started as a law clerk. I think that was inspired to practice family law because it's an area of law where you really get to be hands-on with your clients, you get to know them, and you can have a personal impact versus other areas of law where it's not always like that. I think that my personal approach to it is impacted because I'm a family woman. I have a family. I understand kind of how this works, and I want to make sure that families continue to kind of be intact going forward. I think being hardworking and just open and forthcoming with information to clients. And also I think I approach things by trying to really break down the concepts into a learnable, palatable way for a client to understand. So just being, very relatable and normal. I think the most fulfilling part is that a lot of times when I see clients at the beginning, they're in a very broken space. I mean, this is a very hard process for people to go through, but watching individuals kind of grow through the process and by the end of the divorce, sometimes no longer being that shell of a person. I see them come into themselves, and it's kind of a weird thing to say, but a divorce sometimes is freeing for some people, and so getting to kind of watch that process is, I think, really cool. I think I connect with the clients on a personal level because I'm a parent, and I represent a lot of parents, and so we have that in common, and being able to share those things with them as they go through changes in their children's lives and the dynamics in their relationship. The results I get for clients, and seeing people be in a better space when our cases are done generally, just helps me remember that we are making a positive change in people's lives in one of the worst times of their life. I've learned a lot of lessons from clients. I've learned good parenting, I've learned bad parenting, I've learned the ins and outs of different social media posts, how to prepare yourself for a case. I've just learned a lot. I mean, every case is different, and you take away certain information from those cases and you're able to use it in the next case. I think that a personal strength that sets me apart as an attorney is that I do have that ability to kind of break things down in a understandable way for clients so that they're not lost in the legal jargon. And I think that's hard for some lawyers to do. I would share the message that this isn't forever, that this is a part of a process, and the divorce process is often, it's compared to the grief of losing a loved one, of somebody passing away, and that grief will subside and your life will move on even if it doesn't feel like it right now. I think that perseverance is everything, and I've had challenges in my life that I've had to overcome, and I think that clients are in that same boat where they have to persevere and keep moving forward, and I think we have that in common.